Hey guys, so I'm just doing a quick short video. So today, yesterday I brought out the G out of the garage and I washed it. So basically today we did make an appointment with Chewerks to go get an alignment. A few years back I ended up buying the TN monocycle coilovers off my friend Julio, and they've been fun, but the fact that I lowered the car, the alignment's always been an issue. So I've always been having issues with inner tire wear. And just after years of always replacing tires, you know, the cost builds up. So this time I finally took the plunge and I did get ISR, adjustable lower control arms. I went with True Heart traction arms. I guess you can adjust the toe with that. And hopefully it wasn't a purchase in vain. I bought the MeganRacin adjustable upper control arms, and I slapped them on with my friend Gino. So right now we're on our way to Chewerks, the new facility in La Alhambra. I'm taking the streets just because with the line, like when I did my install, a lot of my rear end feels all wonky and stuff like that. So I really don't trust driving the car at high speeds. I'll just take the street all the way over there. So it's gonna be quite an adventure. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully I don't run into any more issues. So we'll go from there and I'll let you guys know. Well, it was a long drive, but it was fun. Had some tunes going on. So I guess we're here. I assume we're in the right place. With all these badass cars just chilling right there. So let me go inside and see what's up. So I finally found the spot. They have me waiting inside my car, and they're doing their thing. Gotta say, it's pretty cool, something different, and we'll see how it goes. Basically the alignment is done on the G, and pretty much, I mean, just so far from the steering angle I feel a lot better. I will post my torque, I mean how the alignment was before to after, and I have to say it's a big improvement. I mean it was a lot of work for them, but I highly recommend Robert at Chewerks. Very knowledgeable guy, very friendly. I mean, the reason I brought them the car is because if I would have taken it to any other alignment shop, they probably would have half-fasted or charged me double and not gotten the job done. Here, they said they got the alignment dialed in to the best they can. They did say that I am negative 2.5, with a little extreme, but it is good for canyon driving. So the Megan upper adjustable control arms are too short compared to stock. Fix the issue, I would have to go with a better kit. I think for the long term, you know, I don't mind replacing the front ones because they're 245 35 19, which is not as aggressive as the rear that is 275 35. Those are more expensive. These are not as bad. So I think I'd rather just leave it the way it is. I'm gonna drive it home and see how she feels. But so far, I mean, I can feel that it feels like a big improvement. Again, when you come to the experts, you know, they'll do what they can. They'll tell you what you need. I mean, pretty much the back is pretty much dialed in. I didn't have to do any more additional stuff to get the alignment where I wanted it. The front, you can kind of see that it is a little negative, but you know, it is what it is. I mean, so far I'm happy. So far I'm happy. At least now I know the car is up. you know, the car's aligned. You know, over here when you come to them, they'll ask if you want like a specific track oriented alignment or stuff like that. They'll work with you. I just told them I wanted kind of the best OEM alignment I can get, just so I can avoid inner tire wear. With this one, we'll see. Seems like it's pretty good. Coming to them is very well worth it money. Why spend money, double the money somewhere else when you can just come here when these guys can help you out? They're very knowledgeable. So Chewerks, I highly recommend.
Here just Coupe, Nana, on note, just allow
Oh, yeah,
center.
yeah, small
So
portion.
yeah, in your from 2 weeks